Mami,
going to the Coliseum.
so for our next stop, it's the Coliseum. It's gonna be a walk tour. So, isa to sa mga dream ko. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa likod ng Coliseum. And, dati, inu-Google Street ko lang to, tsaka ginu-Google Maps. I can't believe I'm already here. So, medyo familiar ako sa street virtually. Super happy kasi nga medyo nerd ako sa history. So, I can't believe my eyes na I'm standing in front of a Roman Colosseum.
We're going to the Coliseum.
And this is very significant to me because as Christians, andito yung mga early believers, no? Because of their martyrdom and because of their faith, we get to worship God with freedom, diba? Diba, Mami? Anong masasabi mo? Parang wala ka nang masabi.
Wala akong masabi. I'm tired. I want to go inside the Coliseum.
Daming tao.
Ano bang sports ang laban ngayon dyan?
Hi guys, I am stepping at the original stones and roads back in the Roman Empire days pa. And dito sa aking taas, the Colosseum. Wait lang. Ayan. This is the Colosseum here. Original steps made by the Romans. Harap ka sa akin, Mami. Yan, atras. Let's go na daw. Okay, lakad. Ay,
When the night has gone and the light is gone and the moon is the only I will see.
I won't be afraid. I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand. Dali na, Mami. Papicture ka na dyan. So what we're doing is we're having city tour.
Guys, yung antena!
And ito sa tenga ko may earpiece. So yung tour guide namin nasa harapan while she's explaining sa ears namin. So parang may radio. Super tiring. And especially nasa city center kami. Kailangan... Oh, si Kung Fu Panda. Wait lang. Ay, kabog si Madam.
Hello! Hello!
Careful ka na.
Hindi, alam ko.
Asa na? As I was about to say, we still have to take care of our belongings kasi super daming pickpockets dito. So, careful kami. Yun lang. papunta na kaming Spanish Steps. Sadly, hindi namin napuntahan yung Pantheon.
Yes.
It was a long day. Hindi na ako makapag-vlog kasi sobra na yung pagod. Grabe.
We're tired enough.
Pero super ganda pa rin dito. Super ganda. Mami!
Kaya na naman, artista ka to. Magkano bang talent mo sa...
Yan.
Ano, magkano bang talent mo?
Baka wala.
Hindi. Papalit ko yan, ate ko. Hi. Say hi kayo, mga tatang pinakabida.
Hi everybody! So, andito kami sa inner part ng main city of Italy. And dinaanan namin yung palace ng mga Italian aristocrats kanina. So far, there is still families living there. So may mga rich families pa rin na who lives in their palaces na nandito. It's a very tiring walk, but all worth it naman. And etong part side na pinuntahan namin, hindi ko na siya na-research, so I have no idea about it. Ang research ko lang is of course yung Roman Empire talaga, which is yung kanina. Roman Empire to Renaissance, medyo familiar ako. But World War II, hindi na ako masyadong familiar. Pero nadaanan namin kanina yung palace and yung place ng mother ni Napoleon Bonaparte, and yung palace kung saan nag-speech si Mussolini, the Italian leader from World War II na kakampi ng Germany and Japan. And ano pa ba nadaanan namin kanina? So yon yung political center nila from World War II to present. Hi guys, so this is the Spanish Steps and sobrang taas and sobrang pagod na ako, but overall it's a great experience here in Europe. And sayang lang kasi hindi ko napuntahan yung Pantheon kasi sobrang gustong-gusto ko siyang mag-type. It has one of the oldest doors in history. Ayan, nagpipicturan sila, but let's try to zoom in. Ayan. Tita. So, Spanish Steps. Ang taas dito. Oh! We'll see the view. Ay, shucks. Ang ganda pala dito. Wow! Ang ganda nga ng view. Pagkakit mo, wala ka nang hininga. Hi everybody! So, gusto ko nang i-wrap up yung Rome tour namin, yung Rome vlog ko for today. Pag pupunta kayo dito, expect yung super daming tao talaga. So, kanya-kanyang diskarte. Oh my gosh, wait lang. Ayan, kanya-kanyang diskarte kung paano ka magti-take ng picture. But then again, I'm really thankful. And then after that, kumain kami ng gelato. Food, laging 10 out of 10. Lahat, walang palya sa pagkain dito sa Italia, Roma. So ito yung mga kasama ko, super pagod.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord. And welcome. Welcome, darling. Welcome, Babes. And watch out for another adventure.
So that's it. And thank you so much, guys. It was a tiring yet very fulfilling day. Bye.
March 20.
Hi guys, so sa hotel na to, kung hinahanap niyo yung mga itlog nyo, asa na ba? Andito po yung itlog.